Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Piyush with us who is from Kolkata. He is placed in Wipro with a package of 3.5 lakhs per annum. So let's talk to him, know about his experience with Wipro. Hi Piyush,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so firstly we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Wipro with such an amazing package, Piyush.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
So, you know, right, how many people, how many students out there are trying so hard to get placed in Wipro. So it would be really helpful for them if you could share your interview experience with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So what you could do is you could tell us everything in detail, all the rounds, how many rounds were conducted and what questions were asked in each round, everything.
Yes, ma'am.
So ready to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell us from which college are you?
Ma'am, I am from RCC Institute of Information Technology, Kolkata.
Okay, which department are you from?
Information Technology.
Okay. So basically, was this an on-campus interview or an off-campus interview?
It is a off-campus interview,
Okay.
Wipro NLTH.
Okay, Wipro and LTH it was. So when did you get to know about this?
Ma'am, in November.
Okay, could you tell us what was the job role? What was the exact package? What was the eligibility criteria?
Eligibility criteria is, ma'am, BTech and BE, and the
Okay.
package is 3.5 LPA,
Okay.
and job role is project engineer.
Okay, what was the eligibility criteria? Like
10th.
aggregate, 10th, PU, yeah.
Yes, I am telling 10th 60%, 12th 60%, and BTech 60%. All
Okay.
clear 60%.
60% throughout. Okay, super. Now, totally how many rounds were conducted?
Ma'am, there are 3 rounds.
Okay. Yes, please tell us about every round in detail.
And first round was like a logical. There is a question of logical, 16 question, verbal ability, 22
Okay.
question, and aptitude, quant,
Okay.
16 questions. So there
How
are
many sections were there in the first round?
5 sections.
Totally, you had 5 sections.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's talk about every section in detail. Tell us about the first section.
First section is quantitative aptitude, 16
Okay.
questions, 16 minutes.
Okay.
Then logical questions. Logical is, I
Do
think,
you remember any questions or top questions from which topics were asked in the first section, numerical ability?
like probability
Okay.
and some simple simplification questions,
Okay.
and like that, ma'am. Actually, it happened
Time,
on
speed,
January.
distance, time, work,
Yes,
simple
ma'am.
and compound interest, all these questions from all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
topics were asked?
Yes, ma'am. Basic questions from this are asked in
Okay.
the exam.
Totally, you had 16 questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many minutes were given?
16 minutes, ma'am.
You had 1 minute for every question. So,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
was the level of difficulty?
Um, it is easy. I can say that
You
as a
could easily solve.
yes, as time is a factor, I have to solve in very less time. So you can say
Okay.
that time is a factor. And
Time matters.
question is very easy, ma'am.
Questions were simple.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
just that you have to manage the time.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, tell us about the second section.
Second section is logical ability. There is
Okay.
a reasoning, blood relations like questions,
Okay.
and 16 questions and 16 minutes like that.
Here also, you had 1 minute for every question.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And the level of difficulty was
You can say moderate.
moderate.
Just I feel that like it is a moderate question.
Okay. So, you could answer all the questions. Is
Yes,
it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us about the third section.
Third section was verbal ability, English questions.
Okay.
And
Okay.
there is 16 minutes and 22 questions. There are
Okay.
passages, antonyms, synonyms, like that type of questions
But
were
still,
asked.
you did not have 1 minute for each question here, right? Time
Yes,
was less.
yes,
So, could
ma'am.
you manage?
Yes, ma'am. I managed to solve all the questions.
Questions were of easy types, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So, this was also kind of moderate to easy. Okay. Then the fourth section.
Fourth section is, ma'am, essay, 20 minutes, and essay word limit is 200 to 300 words that
Okay.
have to write, and it is very easy. I have written
Okay.
very
So you
properly.
had to write 200 to 300 words in 20 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the topic given?
Ma'am, like how now in coming days, WhatsApp, the social media is playing a very great role. And
Okay.
in the previous days, there is a letter. So how it helps the human to
Get connected
get
or something
connected.
like that.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
super. So that was the topic given for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So this was the fourth section. Then what
Yes.
about the fifth section?
The fifth section is coding round. There are two
Okay.
coding questions, and I have solved both coding questions.
Okay, do you remember what were those questions?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, because I
Okay.
think the exam the exam was in January. So I think
Exam
4 months,
was in
January.
January 2021, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So you do not remember the exact questions. Do you remember at least what concepts it was based on?
Ma'am, like Fibonacci series, you have to print means using
Okay.
recursions like that type.
Okay. Okay, okay, no issues. So when was the results announced? When did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round?
My exam was on 29th of January,
Okay.
and I came to know that 16th of March that I was selected in Wipro
Okay.
of TR round. I have to give TR round, and the TR round interview came on 26th of March.
Okay, so you almost had 2 months gap between the
Yes, ma'am.
first round and the second round.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell us about the technical round, the second round.
Technical round. In first, they asked me that what is your final year project.
Okay.
So I have told everything about my final year project, how I do it, what are the application I use in my final year project, everything in detail. I have told that.
Okay.
I think that 10 minutes discussion held
Okay.
in, and then he asked simple questions of
So you had
DBM.
10 minutes discussion about the project itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Tell us what else did he ask?
And then, ma'am, he asked me about simple DBMS questions like what is
Okay.
database, what is data, what is primary key. So he asked me simple basic questions of DBMS, and I told everything in detail.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then he came to me, asked me, Piyush, which language you prefer most? So I told him that, sir, I like C++. Then he asked me, why you like C++? Then I told him, sir, because C++ is a very easy to understand, and in C++ we can do coding very fastly, like there are inbuilt functions. So I like C++. Then he asked me that, Piyush, have you done any, have you, which platform you do coding? So I told him that, sir, I do Gigs for coding. I have solved 100 plus question in Gigs for Gigs, and he was impressed with me. And he asked me that, then he asked me that, are you able to reallocate and that type of service
So he
agreement?
asked if you're okay with relocation in the technical round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anything else was asked? Any other technical questions?
Ma'am, it took 30 minutes, so that the duration is 30 minutes. So I
That
didn't
this
ask
was all
anything.
about it.
These are the
Okay.
last two questions that are you able to reallocate and any service, service about service agreement.
So on which platform was this round conducted?
Microsoft Teams.
Okay, Microsoft Teams. So the second round was conducted. Okay,
Yes.
super. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the second round?
26th of March, ma'am.
The same day. You told it was conducted on 26th of March, is it?
No, it's 16th of March, I have told.
Okay, you the second was conducted on 16th of March and you got the results on 26th of March.
26th of March.
Yeah. Then when was the third round conducted?
Third round conducted very, I can say, after 1.5 months.
Okay, okay. There was again a gap of 1.5 months.
Yes,
Okay.
and third round was conducted on 3rd of May.
3rd of May. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell us about the third round. Was it an HR round?
Yes, ma'am. Third round was HR round.
Okay. So this was conducted on which platform?
It is also conducted on
Microsoft
Teams.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us about it. What
And
questions were asked?
first the HR told me that introduce yourself. Then he asked me how would you handle the pressure, and he
Okay.
told me that give an example that how you handle that pressure in your life. So
Mhm.
I told my one life event that how I handle the pressures.
Okay. Was he
Then
convinced with your answer?
yes, ma'am, he is
What
convinced.
was your answer? Can we know that?
Yes, ma'am, of course. I told him that, sir, in class 10th, everyone, my relatives think that I am very poor in studies and I don't do well in my 10th examination. And I don't reply with my words. I just want to focus how to do hard work and give them a reply with my result. And I studied too much and I got 10 CGPA in my class 10th. So
Okay.
he was very impressed with me.
Okay. Okay. Super. Super. Then what else was asked?
Ma'am, then he asked me that what is the difference between confidence and overconfidence? Uh, I answered him.
Okay.
And then when he asked me that about tell me your seventh sense project previous,
Okay.
I told him that I have made a, certificate storation app, and he was very impressed very
Okay.
impressed.
With
Then
your
ma'am,
project. Did he ask the details about it?
ma'am, he told me that can you say about your project, previous
Mhm.
project, about 2 minutes. So
Okay.
I told him that
You told it.
yes.
Okay. Then anything else was asked?
Ma'am, then again in HR round again, the HR interview asked me, are you able to relocate? Do you know about service bonds?
Okay.
Where, and one thing also he asked me that where do you see yourself after 5 years?
Okay. What
So
did you say?
ma'am, told him that I would like to see me after 5 years. I have the knowledge, in-depth knowledge of all the subject of computer science,
Okay.
and want to work in new technologies. That's I said
Okay.
to
That
him.
was your answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? Do you remember any other question which was asked in HR interview?
And he asked me that, are you know about you know about the Wipro service agreement?
Okay.
I told him that yes, sir, I know. And at the last, he asked me that any question for me.
Okay. So this went on for how many minutes? The HR interview.
15 minutes.
It was for 15 minutes. So
Yes, sir.
basically, you could answer all the questions what he was asking. No complicated questions were asked. It was
Yes.
all about you. Okay, okay, super. So, when did you get to know the final results?
Ma'am, yesterday, 17th of May.
Okay, you got to know the final results on 17th May 2021.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, would you like to give any tips or suggestions to your friends who are trying to get placed in Wipro?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that people who are focusing on joining Wipro, please focus on basics. Like uh, you should must do aptitude questions, logical questions, because many people don't do that. They only focusing on coding questions. So in the aptitude sections, many people got failed. I
Many
myself,
got rejected in the first round only.
yes,
Correct.
many
Yeah.
of my friends rejected in first round because they didn't practice well aptitude questions. And I think that people should focus on English as well because there is very less time in English section in Wipro's exam.
Okay, so you want to suggest them that please try to concentrate on the first round, the
Yes, ma'am.
aptitude, the reasoning, and the verbal questions. Okay, super. So once again, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Wipro, Piyush.
Thank you, ma'am. And
Thanks for being here.
yes,
Yes, please tell me.
one thing ma'am, I want to tell that thanks for your teams that in my HR I am very nervous, and one of the sirs take my mock interview and he
Okay.
helped me a lot to make my confidence boost, and I want to thank him.
Okay, okay. Thanks for the kind words. We are very happy for you and we wish you very all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for being here and sharing the information, Piyush. Whoever watching is this, I'm sure they will find it very useful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then Piyush, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.